welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rochelle, and today's a very special video. Today is my 3-year lock update. Like, y'all, I cannot believe it's already been 3 years already. Like, I cannot believe it. One thing I've learned though is that when you're growing and glowing, like, time flies, and time been flying because it's 3 years already. Now, if you're considering starting your loc journey, this is your sign. If you want to start, this is it. Just go ahead and do it. You're gonna look good regardless, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna tell you what the process has been like for me. So grab a snack, relax, and let's get right into the video. So before we begin, I do want to start with a little recap. So I did start my locs on December 21st/22nd is when I finished it, back in 2022, and I didn't start with the 2-strand method. I started with maybe about 70 locs, either like 70 or like 68ish. I don't really know. Like, at the beginning of my journey, like, I was definitely nervous. I was scared, especially because, like, I didn't know how I was about to turn out. But let me tell y'all, when I tell you to trust the process, I truly mean it. When I say locs is all about trusting the process. Okay, so let me show y'all some photos. All right, as you can see, my locs has gone through so many phases. Okay, there are some stages where they were shorter than others. They were very, very frizzy, but for each process, I have learned so much. It taught me so much about my hair. It taught me about myself. It taught me about patience. It taught me about self-acceptance. It taught me about the importance of having a good hair care routine. It taught me self-love. Like, this entire process. Now, like, looking back on my journey, I definitely experimented over the years, trying different styles. I tried to switch it up. I definitely do a lot of updos, but you know, it is what it is. I did some braid overs and some accessories, and my locs has definitely become an extension of my personality. Like, whether it's just a simple hairstyle or I'm going all the way out with something new, I just like feel it's just so in tune with myself, just connected with myself, and I feel so more me having my locs. Now, when it comes to maintenance, last year, I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, I washed my locs probably 3 times. 3 times is the amount of times I washed it. Not all the time I retwist, but for the most part, if I do wash, I'll just retwist and I do a palm roll. Now, all of the products that I use for my hair will be listed in the description down below. But as I said, it really depends on how I feel when it comes to taking care of my hair. I really don't use a lot of stuff in my hair. I'll wash it and I'll add like a little, you know, 1-2 here and there. But that's really it. I keep it really simple with my locs. Like, I don't want a lot of buildup. And especially because I retwist my hair. Like, I literally just retwisted my hair on Saturday, and look at it already. It looked like I had a retwist. Okay, but I'm also trying out to figure out different gels, so I'm probably gonna do a series on that, so stay tuned. I'm definitely gonna be trying different gels with my hair because the one that I'm using, obviously, it's not working, or whatever I'm doing is not working because yeah, look at me already. But either way, I'm just so proud of how far I've came, how far my locs have came. They're definitely just more than hair. As I said, they have become a part of me, a part of my self-awareness, a part of my self-expression, just a part of my journey, I should say. And the journey isn't always perfect. I definitely combined a few of my locs, so you know, it hasn't been the perfect journey, but I've learned so much along the way. And if you're starting, or if you're deciding to start, like, when I tell you, all you gotta do is trust the process. Trust your process. Take your time, enjoy the ride. And if you're thinking about starting your locs, bruh, just do it. Like, it's your hair, it's your journey. Can't nobody tell you nothing. It's your rules. Do whatever whatever you want to do. Like, speaking of, it's your rules and it's your hair, bruh. Like, I know at the beginning of my journey, a lot of people were like, oh, don't dye your hair, don't dye your hair. Like, I dyed my hair 6 months in, like, and look at my hair now. Like, they're flourishing, they look beautiful, they're healthy. Like, it's literally your hair, it's your rules. Do whatever you want to do. Like, as I said, like, I'm just telling you how I take care of my hair. But at the end of the day, like, and here are a few tips. As I said, definitely trust the process. Definitely patience is key. Patience is key. Patience is key. Y'all seen how my hair looked at the beginning, okay? It was not this long. Patience is key. Find your own routine. Definitely avoid manipulating your hair too much. But as I said, your hair, your rules. These are some things I don't do. I definitely want to protect your hair at night. Please make sure you're wearing a bonnet or you're wearing something to prevent like a whole bunch of frizz and like build up and stuff in your hair. And embrace the frizziness. Like at the beginning, as I told y'all, my hair was very frizzy, just all over the place, but embrace it. And all in all, just make sure that you celebrate the small wins. Just make sure that you're eating healthy, and overall you're just embracing your journey. At the end of the day, it is your hair. Do what you want to do. Your hair's your rules, period. Okay, and when it comes to me, I will be embracing the journey. I like how I look with my locks, as I say. It's becoming a part of me, so I definitely love it. Yeah, the question still remains, will I be cutting my locks? Probably not. Like, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, probably not gonna come out. I love how it looks. And yeah, I love it here. I hope you enjoy this update. If you have locks yourself, don't forget to drop a comment and let me know how your journey is going for you. If you're thinking about starting locks, let me know. Just do it. If you want to start, this is your sign. Just do it. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned with the new content that's coming. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.